If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Amazon account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and attempt to sign into your account using your email and password. If you are prompted for a two-factor authentication code, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Choose Need a New Code. On the two-factor authentication screen, look for the option that says Need a New Code or try another way to sign in. Click on this option to receive alternative methods for authentication. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity through a backup method, such as answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. Step 4. Access security settings. Once you have successfully signed in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Account and List option, then select your account and find the Login and Security section. Step 5. Reset two-factor authentication. In the Login and Security section, locate the two-factor authentication settings. Follow the prompts to disable and then re-enable two-factor authentication. You may need to set up a new phone number or authentication app. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset. Make sure to keep your recovery options updated to avoid issues in the future.